Good morning.
Good morning.
A typical day at Wildcat is really busy, quite frankly. We start out very early in the morning. We typically come in, have some coffee, kind of joke around, get kind of warmed up for the day. Our first meeting starts at 5:30 promptly, and that's a meeting of all the operations guys. So all the ops team gets together and we go through every single project, every single crew, every single staff member. Are the guys on the right projects? Are they assigned to the right job based on skill sets? Because each crew could potentially have a little bit of a different skill set. Are the durations hitting? Are the clients happy? Safety concerns, so on and so forth. As soon as that's over, by this time the field staff starting to come in. So then the operations guys, and myself included, are typically out in the shop, welcoming the guys in, saying good morning, how are you, fist bumping them. There's a lot of camaraderie at Wildcats. And then it's getting all the trucks out. So trying to, roll 35, 45, 50 trucks, it's a little bit of a process, right? So we got to get all the trucks out of here, get them going. After that, it kind of calms down for the operations team here in the shop. And then we're getting ready for our particular days. So for me, that usually involves, I'll go around to each one of the departments. So I'll go to the sales department, estimating department. Hey, what are you guys looking at? Do you have any questions, things I can help with? At that point, I usually like to go do sales, quite frankly. I really enjoy still estimating larger projects, meeting with clients. Maybe I'll go with an estimator to look at something, or maybe on a different day, I'll go with a project manager and I'll go to a job site. In the afternoon, we have another operations huddle back here at the shop. And that's going through all the nuances again. What happened today? What changes did we make? What hazards did we have? And then building the schedule for the next day. And then the guys will typically start coming back at 5:30 or 6, wrap the day up. So it's a busy day, but it's a fun day and it goes by quite fast.